Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your top artist on Spotify. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So there is no feature on Spotify to get or you can see your top artist by opening any browser. And here you need to search for stats for Spotify.com. Hit enter and you need to open the first website, and here you need to log in with Spotify. So enter yours. I'm going to use my email and password and click on login. Scroll down and click on agree, and here you can see three options. You simply need to click on top artist, and here you can see last 4 months, last 6 months, and the all time from here like this. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.